Hi student, today we can't meet because of the electricity problem in live lecture. Today we are going to record some video. You can see, you can understand. See, today we are going to solve problems. Problem solving. Which type of problems? More types are given in the notebook books. Okay. See, simplest form. First is the simplest form. You have learned, we have solved, yeah, we have learned about the simplest form. What is meant by simplest form, students? See, suppose 41 and 35. Otherwise, you can take here 14 also. I write here simplest form. First example is that 21 upon 35. Now how to solve about the simplest form? See, we want to find out the facts from the 21 and to the 35. It means 21 upon 35. You know that 21 is the numerator and 35 is the denominator. Okay, 21 numerator, 35 denominator. Let's see how to solve by the simplest form. Which 21 is there? Which number can divide to the 21? Which number can divide to the denominator, to the numerator? We want to identify. We want to find out like that. See, which numbers we can take here? 1 will come as it is. Then see 21. In which table have 21? In 2's table have 21? No. Having 3's table? Yeah. Which table? 7. 3's table also is there. 3 sevens are 21. Then is after the in 4's table? No. In 5's table? No. In 6's table? No. In 7's table? Is there 21? Yes. 7 3's are 21. So 7 also will come. Next in 8's table? No. In 9? No. 10? No. 11, 12, 13 also no. Directly up to we can take 21. It is the number self table. 21. Next 35. How to identify? You got some idea here? Same formula you can use to the 35 to find out the facts of the 35. It means see 35. For 1 will come. Then 35 is there. Then which table? In 2's table is there 35 have? No. In 3's? No. 4? No. 5? Yeah. In 5's table. Which? 5 sevens are 35. Then after 6. In 6's table? No. In 7's table? Yes. 7 5's are 35. After that, in 8, in 9, no. 10, no. 11, 12, 13, no. Directly 35. Okay. See, next procedure we want to identify the common highest. Sorry, first of all common factors. Highest common, otherwise common factors. First of all, take out the common factors. See 1, 1, 7, 7. Then write down 1 and 7. 1 we and comma 7 we have taken because of two numbers are common here. But we have taken 1, 1 because of 1 we have taken single, and here also because of 7 we have taken single 7. Is it clear? Now come to the point HCF. Come to identify first one HCF. Which is the HCF from these numbers? 7. Highest common factor. We are going to solve simplest form, student. Keep in mind. Simplest form. After that, See which number we have got. Let's see here 7. Then see 7 will come to the multiply numerator and denominator. Okay, to the numerator and denominator. See how to solve that. 21 multiply 7 and 35 multiply 7. Now come solve this. 21 multiply 7. Do you know the table of 21? You have to learn, students. Okay, 21. If you don't know, then you can use this formula. Rough work is there. I do here rough work. 21 multiply 7. Formula you can use this. See 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. It means 40 is final answer. 147. You can write here 147 downside. Next which numbers are there? 35 multiply 7. 5 seconds are 35. 3 will come aside. 7 3s are 21. And these 3, 21 plus 3, 24. Means 245. Okay, it is the simplest form. This is our final answer. Simplest form. Do you understand? Simplest form means what? See, learn, student. Table you have to learn.